What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching the video. So today I have these bananas. Here's the story, y'all. I'll go through these kicks of eating bananas. I love bananas, and I'll eat them for a few weeks, and then it's like, I don't want any more. So I'm stuck with a bunch of bananas that's turning black. So what do you do with that? You make banana bread. Mike loves banana bread, so I was like, oh, I'm going to kick it up a little bit and make it a little bit different. So I'm making a regular banana bread, but with a cream cheese swirl in the middle of it. So it's kind of stuffed with cream cheese to open up a whole new banana bread world. So that's going to be the recipe this week. It's going to be a banana bread stuffed with cream cheese. The recipe is going to be on the website at tastingaround.com. You just click on downloadable recipes and you'll see it there. Please visit the website. It's new. There's not a lot of stuff on there, but we're just kind of building and doing as we go. If you guys are not subscribers, take a second, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you on board. Give me a thumbs up at the end of the video, and don't forget to send me your comments. If you have any ideas of something you'd like me to make, I'd love to hear that too. Here comes the recipe for cream cheese stuffed banana bread. All right, guys, first thing we're going to do is mash up 3 bananas. You want them kind of brown like that. If you've ever made banana bread before, you know this is what you make when your bananas are getting ready to go bad. So we're going to take these 3 bananas, and you can use a potato masher or whatever you want to use. I just use a fork because I actually don't own a potato masher. If we make mashed potatoes, I do them in the mixer. So using a big fork, we're just going to smush them and make mashed up bananas. And you want to work kind of quick because, you know, bananas will go brown really quick when they hit air. You could put a little lemon juice in there to acidify them, and that'll stop the browning, but we're not gonna be that long. And I really don't think, there's no need to break out the mixer for all of this, because this is a quick bread, and it's quick. So there's our 3 bananas. We're gonna, into that, we are going to put 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. And we're going to stir that together. We're going to put in a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. A pinch or so of salt, not much, just that much. A teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 egg. Okay, and we're going to mix that together. Into that, we're going to put 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and I use white sugar, not brown. So that's about 3/4 of a cup. We're going to mix that together. So we're good to go there. Now we're going to make our cream cheese filling. That's the oven hot. We're going to take 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. Okay. Into the cream cheese, we're going to put 1 egg. Fourth of a cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of flour, just all-purpose flour. And I am going to I'll just use the same fork. It's all going in the same place, so it will be fine. Once that sugar gets mixed with that cream cheese, it softens up a little bit. That egg is going to make your cream cheese hard, but my eggs were not room temperature, which they probably should have been, but I always forget to leave something out. Okay. It's got lumps in it, but it's all right. Now into this, we're going to put 1.5 cups of flour. So I put 1. And a half cups of flour. And we'll take our spoon again, and we'll gently mix that in. All right, I'm gonna close that off and get a spatula because I want to get down to the bottom and make sure we got everything mixed. Okay, so we'll get all of this out of the way. So now we have our loaf pan and we've lined that with parchment. So now in the bottom of this pan, we're gonna put about half of our banana bread mixture. Just like that. Kind of goosh it out to the edges. Maybe a little more. Just like that. All right. We're going to take half of our cream cheese mixture and put it by dollops right down the middle. Just like that. Okay. The rest of our banana bread mixture will go on top of that. Just like this. Getting every little bit out of there that we can. On top of this, I'm gonna kind of spread that just a smudge out to the edges. And we're going to do the same thing with the cream cheese again, the cream cheese mix. Right down the middle. Like that. So now we're going to take a knife. And we're going to stick it in, and we can run it this way or this way. I'm just going to kind of go back and forth like this. We just want to kind of swirl that cream cheese mix in. Get it all pushed out to the edges, just like that. That looks good, just like that. All right, kids, that is ready for the oven. And we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 55 to 60 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. So this is ready for the oven, and we'll see you in about an hour. All right, kids, the banana bread is done. Let's double check. I've already checked it, but I'm going to check it again to check for doneness. Little soft on the top, but I think it's the cream cheese part. Let's look right here. Yeah, that's done. Yeah, we're good. All right, now we want to let this cool for about 10-15 minutes in the pan. Then we're going to take it out and let it cool completely. All right, so I'm going to take a knife and kind of cut that edge. I'm sure that's not hot. It's still warm, but it's not hot. At least in that. So we have the parchment paper on the side, so it's not going to stick there, but it might on the edge. So it has been 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and pull that. Set that up, and we're going to let that cool completely. It looks so pretty, y'all. Look how pretty that color is. All right, let it cool completely. All right, guys, it is nice and cool. Let's go ahead and cut a piece. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Look how good that looks. Oh my goodness gracious alive. All right, taste time. All right, guys, it is taste time. This is what it looks like. Give it a smell. Ah, it smells like good banana bread. Very, very moist. Nice crumb to it, if you can see it up close. Look how pretty. All right, give it a taste. Didn't put nuts in it because, you know, we don't eat that. Very, very good. That cream cheese is so nice to it too. Now, we'll tell you something. If this is better the next day. Banana bread, I think once it sits overnight, it kind of, the flavors kind of melt. If you cut it, first of all, you got to let it cool. But let it set overnight and then eat it the next day. It's better, I think. It's so good. Anyway, guys, that is the recipe for the week. Cream cheese stuffed banana bread. If you have any questions, comments, make sure you put it down below. Let me know. If you're not a subscriber,